Anyway.
Sila, so nagagalit sila. Ay maaari pong may ano niya, may nag-leak nung ano kasi I cannot deny it. It was already access from the internet. Yung tungkol po ito sa to my appointment. But of course, I think you would believe me. Kaya po sinasabi ko na ang bobo ng lawyer niya. Imagine ako, hindi ako maging qualified sa civil service. My God. I have 2 masters. At saka yung pong civil service ko, mas mataas, I think mas mataas sa kanilang lahat, not even to the lawyers there, kaya kiniintriga nila yun.
Okay. Anyway.